are in the midst of IIJS. There are about 60, 70 collections that we've launched as part of the Nakshatra World conglomerate, very clearly. So one is IIJS is the India International Jewelry Show, which is the biggest B2B opportunity. Yeah. So that's one of the reasons. The second reason, very importantly, is we are right at the advent of the festive season around the corner. And as you know, buying out will happen, selling will happen at a very enormous pace. The puja buying happens by the 10th of August, the 15th of August puja this year is early, followed by Diwali. And as she said, very importantly, the wedding season is around the corner. So we have more princesses, more royalty in store this season.
Thank you. Yes, anybody else? Yes.
Can you give her the mic, please?
Do you believe that Luminix Uno can replace the real gold and create beautiful designs in Polki?
Sorry?
Do you believe that Luminix Uno can replace real gold and create beautiful designs in Polki?
You want to answer that?
He's the man.
You know, the answer to your question is the proof of the pudding lies in a beautiful lady standing here. She is an epitome to answer your question. So it's more beautiful than ever before. It's crafted intricately. If you see this very clearly, it's more lustrous than even gold can offer you. So for a lady like you, you now can actually get into this space. It's something that you would want to have in your wardrobe. You would want to have as part of your ensemble of jewelry. So my answer to your question is definitely yes. And Tabu is definitely...
What do you think about it?
Yeah, that's the question actually. The question is to you.
Thank you. Yes, we can move on the mic over there.
घूम फिर के उधर ही आ गए आप.
Hi. Yeah, Aryaman. Just a second. My question is for Ms. Tabu. You've been very choosy in your films. You've done very few brand endorsements. Choosing Nizam is definitely a symbolic way of, because the jewelry is from the place where you come from. What are the ornaments which you actually have within your personal collection, and are there any choosy pieces which you've actually laid your eyes on in the Nizam collection?
Next question.
They have to give me the entire collection. I thought that a jewelry brand would be a great thing to endorse. And actually, we've been associated for the past 2 years.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, and the Nizam collection is the newer collection that I have launched. And actually, I always said that I should be the face of the Nizam collection. But I think it's come a little late, but nevertheless. What I own are my Jarao Jhumkas and some nice bracelets. Real antique jewelry is really, really expensive, and they're very rare to find, I think. I know in Hyderabad, few people have genuinely authentic antique pieces from the Nizams, the families of the Nizams, and they're so breathtakingly beautiful. But I know that Nakshatra World will have all the similar pieces and better, I feel. So I'm not worried about owning some more.
And just to add to that, I mean, a couple of years ago, when we wanted very clearly an appropriate, a right fit for the brand Nizam, I think we brainstorm a lot with a lot of names. But I remember the meeting that we had with her. And I think she was more keen, as much keen for Nizam, let me put it this way, as we were. So it was really a coming together, a marriage of two like-minded sets, her and Nakshatra World for Nizam.
One more thing is, Tabu, we were just shown TVC which had Soha Ali Khan and Sharmila ji on TVC. Are there any chances that there will be a new TVC with you in the new collection?
I will have to renew my contract with Geeta with them.
The answer
for
to your
me be
question
able to
is
do it.
yes.
Okay.
This just got launched, so probably we would be doing something which brings out. That's an earlier film on the mother and daughter, but very clearly the genre.
That's a beautiful film.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, but
Yeah.
that's a beautiful film.
So the genre, the space, they all are in that set, you know. So it's not so much just about the film, but it is about the persona
Yeah,
herself.
because the very fact that she has agreed to do this campaign for you also, she's very choosy in what she does. So that really stands that she has great acknowledgement for the product also.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
That's why I said it was a perfect marriage.
Thank you.
ओके तबू, जैसे कि आज लॉन्च है इसका, तो बताइए इसके बारे में, ज्वेलरी के बारे में आपको कितनी पसंद है पर्सनली ज्वेलरी?
पर्सनली मुझे लगता है कि मुझ पे जड़ाव की ज्वेलरी बहुत सूट करती है और मैं तो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स पे भी जड़ाव पहनती हूँ एंड आई थिंक वो पोल्की एंड जड़ाव समथिंग दैट गोज विथ एवरीथिंग एंड दैट्स रियली आर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इंडियन culture that shows through that and it's a beautiful collection. मैंने मुझे सोने की चूड़ियाँ दी हैं, प्लेन गोल्ड बैंगल्स, लाइक सिंपल प्लेन गोल्ड फ्लैट बैंगल्स. किसी ने नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेटली.
ओके सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे थोड़ा ज्वेलरी के बारे में बताइए, जो आपका जो है उसके बारे में.
So this is Nizam, which is royalty, very clearly crafted with Luminous Uno Gold. Luminous Uno Gold allows it to be very, very clear, lustrous, more affordable, more stronger. So it's a very intricate piece of royalty, now affordable. So as you can see what she is wearing, it's one of the royal pieces, and any lady could buy it, wear it, and feel like a princess.
अभी रिसेंटली आपकी गोलमाल 3 की शूटिंग काफ़ी जोर शोर से शुरू है, तो आप कुछ बताएंगे उसके बारे में?
इस इवेंट पे मैं गोलमाल 3 के बाद, बाय द वे इट्स 4 नॉट 3.
किस तरीके के किरदार में नजर आएंगी आप गोलमाल में?
ये आप उसके प्रमोशन पे सारे सवाल पूछ लीजिए मुझे.
Congratulations for Golmaal again also and piano player also. हाँ, तो रिसेंटली अल्लू अर्जुन को हमने देखा था ऑन सेट पे रोहित शेट्टी से बात करते हो, क्या वो इस मूवी का पार्ट होंगे गोलमाल अगेन में?
गोलमाल अगेन ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो रही है.
ओके, सो
ओके.
और अजय देवगन ने आपने बोला था कि अजय देवगन जैसे
अच्छा, अभी पर्टेनिंग टू द इवेंट आप पूछ लीजिए.
ओके, तो सबसे पहले व्हाट यू आर वेयरिंग, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट कि कितना पसंद है आपको, लाइक गोल्ड ज़्यादा पसंद है या डायमंड पहनना पसंद है?
मुझे दोनों बहुत पसंद है.
वैसे आपको डेलिकेट चीज़ें जैसे छोटी छोटी स्टोन स्टैंडर्ड वगैरह या फिर ऐसे आपको बहुत ट्रेडिशनल या ऐसे कुछ पसंद?
डेफिनेटली जड़ाव और पोल्की मुझे बहुत पसंद है और अगर कोई मुझे सॉलिटेयर्स दे दे तो और भी बेटर है.
तबू, क्या फैशन स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है आपका, किस तरीके का स्टाइल फॉलो करती हैं आप?
मुझे लगता है ऐसा कोई फिक्स स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है नहीं. मतलब जो मुझ पे सूट करता है वो मैं पहनना चाहती हूँ और डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ओकेजन, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सीजन एंड द प्लेस आई एम एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग लाइक I dress up accordingly.
What are the 3 things you see when you get collaboration with any brand of like jewelry or the fashion? क्या ऐसी 3 चीज़ें आप देखती हैं?
So it should be a good brand fit for me. Why are you shooting me from that angle, my darling? Thanks.
Yeah.
I should like the quality of the brand, whatever the product is, and it has to complement me, and I have to complement the brand. And I think it has to be on par with each other. It has to be a coming together.
तब 15 अगस्त आ रहा है और वंदे मातरम तुम्हारा राष्ट्रगान.
So ये इसके pertaining to this.
Come guys, we are done.
Thank you.